You can see from the screen above that we don't have any IBM I host configured at this point in time, and we'll look at the lower screen, which is a 5250 into SAS 10005. What we're going to do is we're going to make sure there's no save files on here. So we normally ship them with ng4i. 2.1 has been the installation file, and then we have updates ng4i and then a date at the end of it. So nothing there, because now what we're going to do is we're going to go on to the Nagios XI. We're going to go to configuration wizards. We'll select the AAG for IBM. We know that the address that we want to go to is SAS 10005. So we're going to connect to that. We'll give it a host name of the same name. We'll use my user profile and my password, obviously, for connection. And we're going to push the ng4i save files out to the IBM I. At this point, I'm just going to put in the shield checks. So what it would do is give me a list of all the shield checks that we've got available to run, and then we're finished on this side. Now you'll see that the configuration has all been done and we're ready to roll. So we're going to go on to this side, and now what we're going to do is we're going to install using the save files. So first of all, we'll do a check to make sure that they're all there. So workloads PDM QGPL ng4i asterisks, and we can see now that we've got 2 new save files. So that's what we're going to use for the install. So let's restore lick program, and it's one ng4i sv, and it's going to be from our save file, and the save file is ng4i21 in QGPL. We'll get a request to confirm the agreement to the license, press F8, and we're all done. So now if we do the install of the update, so we'll do a load run, and it's going to be from a save file, and the save file is ng4i073124, and that again is in QGPL. Sorry, need to be able to type on QGPL, and that's it. Now when we do go ng4i, we'll see that we've now got it all installed. We can do a display of the maintenance menu to see, make sure it's at the latest level. You see we're at the latest level, no changes there. We'll go in, we'll start everything, and you'll see it's running. Now we'll come back to the XI installation. We'll look at the host. Now we've got 1005, and when we look at the services that are running, you'll see that we've got some that were checked before we actually got to here. So we'll go in, we'll force an immediate check of this one, and then we'll go back to the previous screen, look at the services again, and you'll see that we've been checked. The other ones will all clear up eventually, and that's it. That's ng4i installed and doing the checks that we've asked it to do.